Look, everyone, it's Mark Twain.
Oh, hello, Mark Twain.
Tell me a little bit about yourself.
Hi.
My name is Mark Twain. I was born on November 30th, 1835. I was a famous writer. I was most famous for writing the novel Adventures of Tom Sawyer. I also wrote The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Did you know my real name is Samuel Clemens? It's also very interesting that I was born on that I was married to Olivia Lang. And one more thing, I was born in Florida, Missouri.
Henry, time to show up.
Special fun fact: Mark Twain means safe to navigate on a riverboat.
Very good, Henry.